Do you love making hair growth butters for your natural hair growth? This hair butter will interest you and you would love to make it as well. Hi guys, let's make fenugreek and cloves oil for a massive hair growth. This oil is very beneficial if you want to grow long natural hair, alright? So the ingredients we'll be using for this oil are clove and fenugreek. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead now and click on that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. So guys, as you can see, this is what fenugreek looks like and this is what cloves looks like. So these are the two ingredients I'll be using for this hair growth butter, alright? And as well, the third ingredient we'll be using is shea butter. Shea butter is the carrier butter that we'll be using for this hair growth butter. So now guys, I have added the fenugreek and cloves together in a plate, and this is the shea butter. I'll also be adding it into the same plate, alright? So I have added the three ingredients in this plate. Let's go ahead and do the double boiling method, alright? This double boiling method helps you to retain a good amount of nutrients in your oil or in your butter, and you do this when you're working with dry ingredients. If you're working with wet ingredients, you have to do the frying method, or you allow your ingredients to dry up so that you can do the double boiling method. All right, I love using this double boiling method because it retains a lot of nutrients in the butter that you're making or in the oil that you are making. All right, so right now I'm using the spoon to split the butter so that it will melt up easily. Right now, the ingredients have melted up easily. So let me share with you guys the benefit of this hair growth butter. Fenugreek and cloves, they contain antibacterial properties that helps to treat any form of scalp issue that you may be suffering from. They helps to circulate blood around the scalp, which improves healthy hair growth. They helps to treat your scalp. They make your hair grow out easily because they contain ingredients that are beneficial to your hair growth. If you haven't tried out this butter, please go ahead and try it out. You are going to testify, all right? So after boiling it for up to 10 minutes, right now I'll be straining it using this piece of cloth. So guys, I have strained out the oil. I will use my hand to press it so that I will get all my oil out of the ingredients. As you can see, I'm trying to get the whole oil out. So you all, after everything, this is what my hair growth butter is looking like. I'm going to let it sit overnight so that it is going to thicken up. If you have a fridge, just put it in your fridge and it will thicken up. So this is the next day and it has thickened up. Our hair butter is ready. Hair butters are very easy to make. Making herbal hair butter or hair oil or any kind of DIY is very easy to make, alright? So if you really want your hair to grow out well, you have to be learning how to do all this to help yourself at home. Growing natural hair doesn't even require expensive products. You can use good products that are cheap. Yes, good products can be cheap as well, like this one. All right, you can just make them and use them on your hair. Natural hair is not expensive. All right, so after everything, I'm showing you all how I actually apply it. This is just the simple way I use it. If you I will make another video showing you all how I intensively moisturize my hair using any kind of hair butter that I make. All right, So this is me just applying it on my hair because I'm already late for work. I am going to work, so I'm just making everything fast here. So thank you guys for watching up to this extent. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for tuning in on today's video. Please make sure to tune in on other of my videos and see you in my next one. Bye guys.